Hey friends, today we continue with our 1993 Land Cruiser 80 series, a 4.5-liter engine. Today we learn how to inspect the distributor's internal components. That is, how we know the components inside this distributor that send signals through these connector cables are working properly. For this purpose, we will only require our own multimeter and 2 Caymans. With that, we are going to carry out the required tests, and right this moment, we will show you how. Very well. Continuing with the tests, we will thoroughly inspect the internal components of the distributor. On this occasion, we will confirm that it has a total of 4 pins, and we will start by carefully touching the 2 end pins with the tips of the multimeter. We will then connect those alligator clips to the tips of our multimeter probes and to the multimeter itself. We're going to place it now. In ohms, it will take a measurement that is 277.9 ohms. When the motor begins to spin right away, this small bar will start to move and the numbers should begin to fluctuate. That indicates that it is detecting the revolutions that the motor is making, in this case, the distributor bar. Please go ahead if you would. As you could clearly observe, well, this very small bar has been moving back and forth, and the numbers have been changing, which tells us that the internal components of this distributor, at least the ones that are connected to the ends, are functioning quite well indeed. The next test will be to check now the 2 pins in the middle right now at this very moment. Let's proceed with them. Continuing our test of the distributor's internal components now. Now we'll carefully inspect the 2 central pins and precisely pinpoint them at the connector. As you can see here, those 2 alligator clips are clearly touching them, and they are connected to the tips of our multimeter. It's still in ohms. Yes, and now we will observe more carefully right now how the measurement behaves when the motor is turning. Please proceed with the test now. In exactly the same way, it was varying. That means the sensors inside are functioning properly. They are actively detecting the variation, and that is exactly what the computer needs to notice that the motor is turning and that it has to send all the necessary signals. So that brings us to today's test. With that, we ensure that the distributor is operating properly and reliably. If in any of these cases, there is no variation here at all, in either of the 2 that we just reviewed here, something is going wrong with the distributor and it needs to be replaced, or the internal components need to be changed. Well, friends, that's all for today, everyone. Thank you very much indeed. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that when we upload a new video about these cars, you can stay informed and watch it at your convenience. I hope this helps you. See you soon.